A day will come when they will simply rejoice to see you. They will gather in great crowds, for every effort you make is etched in my mind, and I know it will always carry a positive note across all lands. One day we will challenge those who doubt us, and they will witness our perseverance. Let us gather and forget those who have criticized us. Yes, one day success is born only from faith in oneself, from discovering the power within your own abilities. Truth. In the gardens, the veins of the earth tell a timeless story, silently rising, washed by ancestral rains. The soil remembers every truth, millennial, silent yet full of strength. Ancient youth, defying the shadows of the past. The deep rivers still sing a melody of unchanging grace, where men long awaited for dignity to find its place. The spirit will not falter. The sacred land bears a legacy that will soon transform gently in loving hands. The face of time reflects the amber sky, a rhythm born of primordial chimes. In silent forests, whispers rise, battles move forward, and peace is bestowed. Look to the sky, a precious heritage to preserve. The rivers continue to sing, their melody is strength and constancy. For long men have awaited for dignity to find its place. The spirit will not falter at the heart of this sacred land, a legacy that will transform gently in loving hands. No sacred drum, no desperate plea, just a steady deed, solitary pulse, a testament to the resilience that grows